Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Online Income Stream. And as promised, today I'm going to show you how you are going to add extensions to your phone browser so that you can use it for a very profitable keyword research for Amazon KDP. So the first thing you need to do is download this browser, this Kiwi browser right here. It's downloaded on my phone, but what you need to do is first come to your Google Play Store and search for it. It's the second one right here. Yes, the second one. You click on it, then you install it. It's already installed on my phone, so all you need to do is just click on it. You open the browser, yes, then you need to search for Chrome extension. Type Chrome extension, then you search for it. The first one that appears here that says extensions, click on it. Very good. As you can see, all these ones are extensions, but we are going to need 3 for our keyword research for Amazon KDP. So the first one is DS Quick View. Just search for DS Quick View. So you click search. Okay, as you can see, this is DS Quick View, the first one right here, not the second one, the first one. So you click on it. Mine is showing remove from Chrome because it's already added, but all you need to do is click on this button, add to Chrome, and then your own will be added. Then you come back to our second extension, which is AMZ suggestion expander. Then you search. Yes, this is it, the first one right here, the first one, AMZ suggestion expander. You click on it, then you come here like the first one and just click on add to Chrome, this button right here. Mine is already added, so it's showing remove from Chrome because it's already added. Then you come back and we move to the third extension that we are going to need for our keyword research. So the third one we are going to search for is self-publishing titans. Self-publishing titans. You just search for it. For it to look. Yes, very good. It's the first one up here. Then you click on it. You also do the same thing, add to Chrome. When you add it to Chrome browser, then you can go ahead and close this tab when all of them are added to Chrome browser. So now you have your Kiwi browser ready, your 3 extensions that you're going to need for your research ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how you are going to add your extensions to your browser on your phone. I'm going to drop a video next on how you are going to use those extensions to find a profitable keyword that you are going to use for your book on Amazon KDP. So remember to like the video, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video I'm going to publish to show you how you are going to use those extensions.